Today's PSA, don't drop your kids or forget your kids on the interstate. I mean, this is craziness. For all the mother truckers out there, what's the craziest thing that you've seen on the road? Have you seen something like this before? I mean, I've heard of stories of young kids walking from their house to the interstate when it's close by, but the pin location that Junior Honduras gave me, literally, there's no houses around for miles. So how did this kid get on the highway? Let's get into today's video.
Dame un segundo, déjame llamar a la policía, amor.
What's going on, mother truckers? Welcome to today's podcast video. We always have hundreds of videos getting sent into Mutha Trucker News at all times. So if you'd like to send in a video, send it into muthatruckernews@gmail.com. Now, we have a fellow friend, actually, Junior Honduras. I don't know if you know the man, but if you don't, check out his YouTube channel. He just sent me a text today and said, dude, you will not believe what I saw on the road. And it pretty much just scared the crap out of him because he has kids himself. He texts me and says, hey, bro, what's up, man? Check out and please make a video to make parents aware of their kids. This kid was on the interstate I-25 north in Longmont, Colorado, north of Denver. So I've been around that way before. And so the first thing I'm thinking is, there's not a lot of houses right there. So I text him, if he could recall where that map was that he was at. And he pins me the location of where he was. And when I look close to the map, I'm talking about there's no houses around for like 5-6 miles. So either this 7-year-old kid walked 7 miles from his house, or his parents or somebody dropped him off on the side of the highway. Or the third one is maybe they stopped for something and didn't realize that he jumped out. Other truckers, what's the craziest thing you've seen? But when I looked at where this location was, it's giving me the vibes that he was dropped off there or jumped out of the car. I'm not sure how the heck this happened, or walked from somewhere. But, this is crazy to me. Junior called the police, and the police were getting so many calls on this. And so he was probably the 10th person that called. So luckily they picked up the kid. We do not know as of now what has happened, but as far as it goes, that's the update we have. So I guess the big PSA for the day is watch your kids. And if you stop on the side of the interstate, make sure you do a head count, because this is craziness. The sad part about this would be if they just dropped them off and left them like a pet or an animal that they didn't want. But we're not going to say that because we don't know. All I got to say is that pinned location, there are no houses around there. So how the heck did this kid get here? Mother truckers, comment down below.